Last video, we caught AI drawing hands with 6 fingers. Weird mistake for something so powerful, right? It happened because AI doesn't see the way you do. It predicts patterns. But that answer leaves us with a bigger question. Can AI actually think? Before we answer that, we need to agree on what thinking even means. When you think, you're not just reacting to what's in front of you, you're pulling together memories, emotions, goals, and deciding what to do. You understand why you're doing it. You can feel confused, realize you're wrong, and change course. Philosophers call this intentionality, the idea that your thoughts are about something. They carry meaning. That's a high bar. Let's see if AI clears it. Here's the honest truth about how AI works. Take a large language model, the kind powering AI chatbots. It doesn't know things the way you know fire is hot after touching a stove. Instead, it's trained on billions of words from the internet, books, and code. It learns. When these words appear together, those words tend to follow. Pattern recognition. Extraordinarily sophisticated, but pattern recognition all the same. When you ask it a question, it isn't reasoning through the answer. It's predicting. What sequence of words would most likely come next? That's why it can explain quantum physics fluently and still get basic maths wrong. It's not computing, it's completing patterns. Now here's where it gets interesting. A newer generation, called reasoning models, are trained to pause and work through a problem step by step before answering. They produce what looks like a thought process, breaking down the question, checking their own logic. And it works. These models score better on maths, science, and logic tests than earlier AI. But are they thinking? Here's the catch. We still don't know whether that internal process carries real understanding or whether it's a more elaborate version of the same trick, a very convincing pattern that looks like reasoning. So, can AI think? Right now, most experts agree. Not the way you do. AI can process language, find patterns, generate responses, and appear to reason, sometimes better than any human. But it has no experiences, no intentions. It doesn't know it exists. That gap between simulating intelligence and actually having it might be the most important question in technology right now. Some researchers believe we'll close that gap eventually. Others think we're asking the wrong question entirely. What do you think? Next time we're going even deeper. If AI can't truly think, can it ever be conscious? Does it feel anything at all? These aren't just science questions. They're questions about what it means to be alive. See you in video 4 on Curious Minds Lab.